How to play Minecraft story mode. Now, the very least information that I provide you right now on where we are available to play Minecraft story mode before it was actually on Steam. So if you take a look on this platform right here and then just simply logged into your account and go directly to the search bar and type in Minecraft story mode, there will be no such results and it's gonna be show up. If you search for Minecraft, these are only the games that is gonna be available in 2024. So if you take a look on Steam community, it was actually removed back then on last July 26th. It was actually an end of the journey of playing with a Minecraft story mode. So it was already been removed from Steam, but all you can do right now is just to play the series parts, the Jungle Awakens, Echoing Void, Creeping Winter, Howling Peaks, and so on and so forth. So it was actually breakdown in a specific part. It is not gonna be available for the whole story mode or bundle, but instead it was actually breakdown. So that's it. That's the only way that you can play Minecraft story mode specifically for Steam.